Thank you again for being invited to the third debate. I would like to start with this. My friend Isu likes to use strong words to intimidate me. But Ethiopia has over 130 million people and adding more than 3% a year, the size of Eritrea. Thank you for the third debate. Let me start with this. Those who never learn from history's mistakes are doomed to repeat them. The population imbalance he mentioned was also true during our struggle to free Eritrea from Ethiopian colonialism, and it didn't stop us then. It even went 1 to 50 in the last 7 campaigns to completely destroy and defeat us, but we still stood victorious. Back then, Ethiopia had every advantage: foreign-trained massive army, modern weapons, fighter jets and helicopters. Eritrea had no one except its heroic sons and daughters, an unbending population and determination that made the difference. By the way, Meles also thought numbers and weapons as well as support from powerful nations would make the difference, but we stopped him cold as well. Before you flex your population-size muscles at me or brag about your modern weaponry, learn your history. Maybe you will think twice.
I am not Mengistu or Meles. I know exactly what I'm doing.
I know you aren't. You are the worst to lead Ethiopia. With all their shortcomings and evil plan against Eritrea, they kept Ethiopia as one nation. They didn't have Oromia agenda. Take a good mental note on the 7th grade brain of yours. You will not take an inch of Eritrean territory under my watch.